All right, guys, you're gonna come over with me. We're gonna go mug somebody. Come on.
What's up, man?
Come on, send me your money.
All right, it's in my pocket, man. It's in my pocket. Oh shit, I forgot it, man. I forgot. You want my jacket? I'll give you my jacket.
Oh, give me some money, man.
Just look, it's in my pocket. Oh shit, I don't have it, man. You want my Interac card? I'll give you my Interac card. My bank card. All right, just go ahead and take it, man. Go ahead. It's all yours, man. It's all yours.
Your pocket.
Okay. Sorry, you okay? Good. So,
That's perfect, man.
again, this is the problem that a lot of people fail to teach, is the verbal, the psychology. He comes in right here, right? What's the first? If I go straight physical, he doesn't know me. He doesn't really know what I'm gonna do yet. So he's in his guard. What do I start doing? Start talking. What do you want? My money's in my pocket. Go ahead and get it. You want me to get it or you want to get it? Shit, I don't have my money. I have my bank card. You want my bank card? You want my gloves? You want my watch? Get him talking. Get him thinking. Get him forgetting about doing this.
Get him to forget about the knife to the throat and think about the conversation.
Totally. This is psychology, verbal, pattern interrupt. What does that mean? Make him change the channel. Get him forget about this and think, okay, I'm gonna give you my money. How do you want to do this? You want me to give it to you? You want to take it? I don't have my money, I have my bank card, whatever it is. In reality, give them the money. Don't take your chances. You miscalculate and he flinches and he just, karate arty, you're dead. Okay, unless you've done this 1,000 times, and even then, the circumstances, anything could happen in the moment. So, I'm talking, I'm trying to diffuse, I'm telling him, here's my money, I'm getting him talking. How do I grab? I come here, I grab the wrist, I twist. Now, in reality, grab the knife hard, Nick. If he's got a heart, grab it really hard. If he does this, the wrist won't lock, okay? Now, I've done this before, drill, and I've had people who actually held the knife like this. Let's say the guy was on fucking crack or coke and he's like hype. I might do this, it's not gonna work, but it doesn't matter. If I come here and it's locked, boom, I'll come in with a headbutt right away and I start my strikes immediately, okay? Don't, expect anything can happen. I might do this, and as I do this, I slip and I fall and he comes on top of me and suddenly it's a knife fight on the ground. You gotta be ready for anything, okay? This is why, again, we don't train in sequence. You train, action, reaction. You train being in the moment and being able to counter or strike to your attacker in a split second. If you guys want to learn more self-defense, go visit our website, nickjoseph.com. Stay safe and leave us a comment.